Okay.
Hi, Don and Rachel. This is Jenny, and this is Tess. Tess is a 10-year-old Morgan, and she's a rescue, and she's the reason I got in your program. When I got her, she was the most aggressive, dominant horse I've ever dealt with. She bit like an alligator. She didn't nip, she chomped. We've come a long way, but we still have some stuff we need to work on, and one we're going to show you, another video clip, is she does not want to stand for you to get on her. And then when you get on, we have ants in the pants. But she's come a long way. I can pretty much mess with her head now, but she will still show some dominance, which of course she isn't going to do with the camera going, of shoving my hand out of the way. But her friendly game is good. She is fine with ropes and everything and the carrot stick. She's wanting to show you our neutral lateral flexion, which she does really well with the lead rope, and then when you have the bridle on, she tries to bite you. We'll show you that too. But we got it on both sides here. Just the side. I worked a lot on getting her head down, and some of the dominant stuff she backs pretty softly. Ooh, her head way down. Yo-Yo still needs some work, as you're going to see. Ooh, that was better. Yeah, that's a lot better. She's done cutting her head up and fighting it. Anyway, the next time you see us, we're going to have a saddle and bridle on, and we'll show you our mounting difficulties.